Secondly,
So within, if you come back to power within 1 week, you are going to hang
obviously
yourself.
because Supreme Court, after all, the decision on pardon is taken by the president upon the advice of the government.
Yeah.
And this government is sitting over the matter. That's the point I'm trying to highlight. Therefore, if India, what is the legacy of UPA? An insecure India is suffering India, and will certainly change that.
Coming back to Goa, there is North Goa and there is South Goa. North Goa, it seems that Sripad Naik is planning to do a hat-trick this time. And he has a very clean image, he has performed well. South has always been difficult for Congress because of various reasons. How confident you are, you must have interacted with your party workers also, how confident you are about South Goa this time? Will you be able to break that jinx?
We are quite sure about that. We feel that Lok Sabha elections are fought on national issues, and the voters of Goa are very well informed as to how the people are suffering under price rise, how unemployment is rising, how infrastructure has come to a standstill, how power generation has gone down, and how India was never so insecure. Terrorism today is afflicting Goa. Tourist flow has come down. Therefore, people are watching all this. And we are quite sure once it comes to the crunch, they will go for BJP.
Don't you think in these times of recession, country needs an economist prime minister? I am not saying Manmohan Singh. Economist prime minister.
Let me tell you, country needs a good political leader with a vision. That's more important.
Do you think a politician can tackle these financial turmoils?
Obviously, if he is given good assistance by economic experts. The PM is the leader of more than 110 crore people of the country. He must be in a position to take decisions instead of running to 10 Janpath to seek advice what to do, kya kare or kya na kare. He must be a political leader who is trusted by the people, who is respected by the people. And I'm sorry, Mr. Manmohan Singh is not that political leader. Only Mr. Advani can become that.
Urban Development Minister Joaquim Alema has claimed that Sardinia will get a lead in all the booths of Kunkoli constituency. Though started late, the Congress in South Goa has picked up the campaign very fast.
Congress party workers from Kunkoli constituency recently conducted a meeting at Varka. Most of the Sarpanch and other party activists were present at the meeting.
We start today campaigning. We had a meeting with all the panches, all the sarpanches to have check out the program for the public meetings and workers meeting. So we had check out now, and very soon we'll be holding every ward, every panchat ward meetings.
President of South Goa Jilla Panchayat Cleophas Dice said that he is participating in campaigning only because of Joki Alema.
Actually, I am neutral रावपाचो, पण आमच्या आमदारा लागून बाब जोकी आलेमा लागून हांव मुखार येयला आमची काँग्रेस पार्टी सपोर्ट करपाक.
Our reporter from Varka, Ramesh Naik Raut.
It's time for a short break. Watch Rotary Youth Leadership Awards for visually impaired youth and hunger strikes still on by Goa University students. Welcome back. On the third day of hunger strike by the engineering students at Goa University, a student collapsed and was admitted to the Goa Medical College Hospital on Wednesday. The students say that they would agitate till their demands are fulfilled. They have demanded blanket ATKT for the 6th semester students and NFT to 1st and 2nd semester students.
Wednesday was the third day of hunger strike by the students of engineering. The students informed that the management is following the divide and rule policy.
Now it's been 3 days that we are on a hunger strike. From 3 days these people are looking over here, they are doing nothing. He is telling everyone that he has passed a circular in our favor. But the thing was that what we were asking was that a blanket, NFT should be implemented for the first year students. But what he did was he implemented blanket NFT for only 2nd semester students.
They informed us more on their demands.
Our demand is whatever he has implemented should be implemented for the 1st semester as well as for the 2nd semester, and the blanket should be, as a blanket is implemented for the 7th semester students, it should be implemented for the 6th semester students also. That's it.
And what about your strike? Will it continue?
it will continue till one person is left, will be sitting over here. Just now one of our friend has collapsed and he's been taken to GMC. But till the last person stand will be over here and will continue doing it till our demands are done.
Our reporter at Taligaon, Devidas Kamli and Manoj Arolkar.
National spokesperson of BJP Ravi Shankar Prasad has criticized UPA government for failing to stop terror attacks in the country. He was speaking at a meeting organized by the Friends of BJP in Panji on Tuesday.
Friends of BJP is an organization that supports BJP and wants BJP to regain power for Lok Sabha election. More than 50,000 people have already joined Friends of BJP group across India. During Tuesday meeting in Panji, two founder members of Friends of BJP, Rajesh Jain and Amit Malviya, attended the meeting. Manohar Parrikar and Ravi Shankar Prasad also attended the meeting. While speaking at the meeting, Amit Malviya said there is need to support BJP as it can give good governance. He said that middle class India can play an important role for these elections.
How do we make middle India matter? And the simplest way of doing this is to go out and exercise your franchise, taking into account the most logical reasoning and a franchise that will help you see the governance that you would ideally desire.
Parrikar said that Friends of BJP should also start their campaign during assembly election so that BJP comes to power in Goa. While speaking on the occasion, Ravi Shankar Prasad criticized central government for failing to stop terror attacks in the country.
The issue of terrorism, can we wish it away? Today terrorists are killing Hindus, terrorists are killing Muslims. The fundamental difference between our government and the present government is, the present government is repeatedly giving signals to terrorists and their patrons that the fight against, that tough action against you is tradable for votes.
Our reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandorkar.
Rotary Youth Leadership Awards for Visually Impaired Youth was organized from 5th to 8th of April by the Rotary Club of Panji. Around 50 visually impaired youth had participated in this workshop.
50 visually impaired students from Sangli, Sawantwadi and Goa had participated in this 4-day-long workshop. Mahesh Pai, the president of RYLA, said that the main aim behind organizing this program is to share the knowledge and skills.
All the students of the different places in Sangli, Sawantwadi, Kolhapur, Goa, all have come together, and this is once in a lifetime opportunity for these people to interact from all the different states, come together and to learn different skills, vocational skills and different kinds of skills.
The interesting thing of this workshop was that a visually impaired person trained the other visually impaired youth. On Tuesday, all the 50 youth were taken to a restaurant in Baga for lunch where they all got together. It was a chance for the visually impaired youth who are trying hard to overcome their limitation. Our reporter from Mapsa, Shamsundar Farte.
Stay tuned for more news from sports. Saloni Shirvaikar has tasted yet another triumph in England.